I am going to be unboxing this transport vehicle. Okay, let's open this box here. Oh, I like the front of it. Look at that. Look inside the box, boys and girls. I'm going to pull out our transport vehicle. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Oh my goodness, it's filled with goodies inside, boys and girls. Oh my goodness, this moves. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cutie? Alrighty, I'm going to open it up. Oh, here's the back. Here's the back. I'm going to pull things out of the back here. Oh, this is a little car. He's got eyes. This car has eyes. Isn't that funny? Isn't that cute? So there's one car. Transport car means it's transporting things. It's going to be transporting little cars. And here's our second car. Oh, this looks like a cement mixer type of a car because it has this thing on the top. And let's see how many more we have in here. That was 2. This is the third little truck vehicle. That. Put something in the top. And we have one more. Little vehicle number 4. If I can get it out. I'm gonna hide in there, huh? You wanted to hide from me. Cut the top off. Put this down here. And here's our 4th car. Look at that happy face. Isn't he a cutie? We have our big vehicle transporter, and then we have the 4 little trucks that came with it. I'm going to teach a lesson now on vehicles. So we're going to count our little vehicles and put them back in the transporter truck. How many? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we close the back. You close the back, but I can't close the back, so I'm going to put some of these cars on the top. There's 1, there's 2, and I don't think I can get another one on there. Let's try it. We're going to try to see if we can solve the problem, but we can't. It's too small up there. So we'll keep this one down here, and we'll close it. And a little math, boys and girls. 2 plus 2 equals, how many did we count all together? 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Boys and girls, there's this black button up here. I'm going to push the black button and see what happens here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, the lights come on, you hear sounds, and honking. Whoa, that's exciting. Now I'm going to do another vehicle lesson. Boys and girls, here are all kinds of vehicles. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some of these vehicles off and putting them on the road. So one of my favorites, vehicle is a school bus. So let's put the school bus on the road right here. An ambulance truck. Here we have a truck. Okay, let's take this pink car here and put on the road. Now going the other direction. Oh, here we go, a police car. Let's put our police car first. Oh, let's get a motorcycle. A motorcycle is a vehicle also, boys and girls. A motorcycle. There's a car going this direction. And there's our pickup truck. We can also count the vehicles. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vehicles. Here's 4 on the top. That's 4. Another 4. So 4 plus 4 equals how many boys and girls? 8. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So the next time we will be unboxing some more educational toys. Bye!